Hello, in this video we are going to speak about branch reset groups. For example, we want to match keys and values while capturing keys into group 1 and all values into group 2. However, the problem might arise when our values can contain white space. Let's have a look at this pattern. It captures any one or more word characters into group 1 first. Then it matches an equals sign. Then we define a branch reset group with the help of an open parenthesis, a question mark, and a pipe symbol. Then we define the first alternative that matches any strings in between double quotation marks, while capturing everything that is in between the double quotation marks into group 2. Then we define the second alternative, and there is also group 2 pattern that matches one or more non-white space characters. Thanks to the branch reset group here, we define two groups in different alternatives that share the same ID. Second capturing group, and this is also a second capturing group. This is very handy because that helps you get rid of unnecessary captures in your match results. Have a look at the match information here on the right. You've got group 1, group 2, group 1, group 2. No intermediate values. If we use the capturing group instead of the branch reset group in the pattern, we would capture this value into group 3 and this value with a white space into group 2. Our match information on the right shows this difference. We match key into group 1 and value into group 3 when we get the first match, and we get key 2 into group 1 and value 2 into group 2 when we get the second match. So as you have already understood, alternatives inside the branch reset group share the same capturing group IDs. This is supported by such regex libraries as BCRE, Boost, or Nigmo. It is also supported by the Python python-regex library. Let's have a look at the Python demo. So we have defined the text here, the pattern, and we are trying to use the re library. However, this construct, the branch reset groups, are not supported. Let's have a look. We have an exception. If we use the regex library and use the regex findAll method, we've got the necessary values here in the result. Now let's switch to an R demo. We define the text variable, we define the pattern with our regex. We've got all our matches using regmatches function and regex-exec using the Perl equals true argument to actually use BCRE regex engine. And now we're going to see our captured values. Unfortunately, this regex construct is not so universal. If you want to have an equivalent in regex flavors that do not support it, mind that you usually can traverse the match results after you get all of them with the appropriate function, and then you can check which group matched and which group did not match and recombine the results into the list or array. You can see the explanation of the pattern on the right. You can read more about this construct if you follow the links in the further links section, and if you liked my video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you for watching and happy regexing!